Hello, my name is Joshua Brown from howtobecome.com and welcome to this interview training video. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to answer the panic question that destroys most beginners. Why should we hire you, especially when you have no experience? Most people freeze, or they say something like, I'm hardworking, or because you're hiring, and they hope that is enough. It isn't. In fact, avoid these common mistakes that nearly all candidates make, as they will kill your answer. Do not apologise for having no experience. Do not say, I'll try my best, or I think I'd be okay. Do not list strengths without any proof, and do not talk about what you want. Focus on what you will give the employer. In this video, I will give you the best answer structure I've ever seen for candidates with no experience, and I'll also show you how to build proof using school, volunteering, sports teams, clubs, or even family responsibilities so you sound credible and employable. This video is ideal if you're applying for your first job anywhere in the world and you want to feel confident answering interview questions properly. I'll show you exactly what hiring managers are looking for. Now, before we start, please make sure to let me know the name of the job role that you're applying for in the comments section below, as I will personally get back to you with even more tips and advice. Okay, let's get started and give you that top scoring, powerful answer. Now, before I give you that powerful answer, it's important to understand why this question is so hard. This question feels scary because you think you're being compared to people who have done the job before. But here is the truth. When employers interview someone with no experience, they're not expecting a perfect work history. They're looking for predictors. What do I mean by that term, predictors? Well, they want to know, will you show up reliably? Will you learn fast? Will you be safe, accurate, and coachable? Will you communicate well and fit within the team? And will you take ownership instead of making excuses? So your job is to prove those things with real experience and evidence from your life, not necessarily your work history. So let's now take a look at the very best structure that you can use before I give you that powerful template and top scoring answer in a live interview. Here we go. This will blow employers away. You're going to use a simple structure that I call FIT, F-I-T plus proof. So F stands for fit. You're fit for the job role. I is impact. What impact will you bring to this job role? And T stands for traits. The traits that you offer that they can rely on. Then you need to give some proof in your answer. So one short, real example showing you already behave that way. And don't worry, I'll give you plenty of examples for no experience answers. You need to keep your answer to about 35 to 50 seconds in length. Okay, now I'm going to show you the exact template using a powerful answer to that question, why should we hire you even with no experience, in a live job interview that you can use for any job role. But keep watching, because after I will also give you answers for retail, customer service interviews, warehouse and operations interviews, and office, admin, and entry-level support interviews. So here is the best answer that you can use right now for any job interview. Listen for the structure and how it proves value. Here we go.
Why should we hire you with no experience?
You should hire me because I'm a strong fit for this role, even without direct experience, because I'm reliable, I'm coachable, and I learn quickly. I will bring a strong work ethic, a calm attitude under pressure, and the ability to follow instructions accurately while still being friendly and professional with people. The reason I'm confident is because I've already shown those skills in real situations. For example, in my last year of school, I balanced exams with a part-time commitment, and I still hit deadlines consistently because I planned my week, I stayed organised, and I didn't leave things until the last minute. When something went wrong, I didn't make excuses, I asked for help early and fixed it. If you hire me, you'll get someone who turns up on time, works hard, listens, improves fast, and makes your life easier, not harder. So you can see that that was a really powerful answer because it does 4 things. First, it makes a clear promise. Second, it lists job relevant traits. 3, it proves it with real life experience. And 4, it finishes with a confident employer focused close. Now, most candidates miss the proof and the close in their answer, and that's why they sound generic and get overlooked by employers. Now, some people worry, what if I don't have any part-time work? Well, no problem. Your proof can come from school or college projects, volunteering, sports teams, clubs, helping at home with real responsibility, and any situation where you had to be reliable, learn quickly, and deliver results. The key is to include one of these: a deadline you met, or a responsibility you held, or a problem you solved, or a measurable result or praise. So now I'm going to show you 3 more powerful answers to that question, why should we hire you even with no previous work experience, that you can use depending on the type of job role you are applying for. Make sure you write these down.
Why should we hire you when you have no experience?
You should hire me because I'm reliable, friendly, and I learn fast, which is what you need in a customer-facing role. I'm confident because I've already handled real responsibility with people. For example, I helped run a school event where we had a high number of visitors. I stayed calm, I listened properly, and I solved issues quickly. And I was thanked by the organizer because I kept things moving and stayed professional. If you hire me, you'll get someone who shows up, works hard, and treats every customer with respect.
Why should we hire you with no experience?
You should hire me because I'm reliable, safety focused, and I follow instructions accurately, which matters in a fast-paced warehouse. I'm confident because I've already worked under timed pressure. For example, I was part of a team project with a tight deadline, and I took ownership of the check-in stage to make sure we didn't submit any errors. We delivered on time, and the feedback was that our work was the most accurate out of everyone else's submitted projects. If you hire me, you'll get someone who works at a steady pace, stays switched on, and keeps standards very high.
Why should we hire you when you have no experience?
You should hire me because I'm organised, professional, and quick to learn systems. I'm confident because I've already shown that I can manage tasks and deadlines. For example, during my studies, I used a simple weekly plan, tracked tasks, and consistently submitted work early. I was also trusted to support a group project because I kept notes clear and made sure actions were followed up. If you hire me, you'll get someone who is dependable, accurate, and easy to train. So that is how to answer why should we hire you when you have no experience, using a simple structure that makes you sound like the safe, smart hire. Now, if you'd like the exact resources that I use to help beginners and entry-level candidates to pass their interviews, I put everything into one simple download called my Get Hired Starter Pack. It's built for you if you don't have much experience yet, or if you feel nervous in interviews, or you're not sure what to say when they ask you tricky interview questions. Let me quickly show you exactly what you get inside, because this isn't fluff. These are practical scripts and templates that you can use straight away. First, you get my Tell Me About Yourself scripts. This is the question almost every interview starts with, and it sets the tone. I give you ready-made scripts that you can plug your details into so you sound confident, clear, and professional from the first minute. You also get my 17 best answers to behavioral interview questions. These are the tough ones, like tell me about a time you dealt with a difficult situation, or tell me about a time you worked in a team. I've written high-scoring answers in a simple structure so you can deliver them even if you've never had a formal job before. Then one of the most powerful parts of this pack is the mind goes blank recovery script. Let's be honest, it happens. You walk into an interview and suddenly your mind goes empty. This gives you the exact words that you can say to regain control. Buy yourself a few extra seconds and then answer calmly without looking unprepared. You also get a last-minute prep sheet. This is what you use the night before or even the morning of your job interview. It tells you exactly what to review, what to focus on, and how to walk in feeling ready to get the edge and be the best version of yourself. You'll also get my no degree, no experience comebacks. This is for when the interviewer hints that you're missing experience or qualifications. I give you a confident, professional response that flips those type of situations into a strength without sounding defensive. Now, you'll also get my 30 days plan. This is brilliant if you're stepping into your first job or any new job role, because it tells the hiring manager exactly what you will focus on in your very first month in that job role. It's a game changer. Your competition won't have this at their interview, but you will. Now, after the interview, you can use my proven thank you email template. Most candidates don't have this, and it's an easy way to stand out. You can copy it, customize it in 1 minute, and send a professional follow-up that keeps you fresh in their mind. You also get my CV and resume templates. These are clean, simple templates that make you look professional even if you don't have loads of experience. They include powerful keywords and phrases that top employers look for in resumes and CVs, and it's ATS friendly. And finally, you get my 50 no experience interview answers. This is an answer bank that you can copy, adapt, and practice. It's perfect when you hear a question and think, I don't have any experience for that. These answers show how you can use school, college, volunteering, hobbies, sports, and previous job experience and everyday responsibilities as proof that you are a great candidate. So that's everything inside my Get Hired Starter Pack. It's an instant download, so you get all of these proven templates right now and you can start preparing today. If you want it, click that link in the top right-hand corner of the video or in the pinned comment below this video. Download the pack and use the scripts, practice the answers, and walk into your interview feeling confident and ready. Now, before you go, please do 3 quick things for me. Firstly, I want to hear from you. So comment below which job role you are interviewing for and let me know, were you focusing too much on experience before watching this video? I want to reply to you with the best possible interview tips to help you for your specific job interview. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I upload new interview training videos every week and I can only help you if you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that like button because it really helps this channel grow and it motivates me to keep creating free content for you. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you all the very best of luck with your job interview. You've got this.